Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Fidelity account number. First, log in to your Fidelity account on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Trade menu. From there, select Portfolio to see all your accounts. Your full account number will be clearly displayed next to each of your listed accounts. This is often the quickest way to locate it. Another reliable method is to check your physical or electronic documents. Your full Fidelity account number is always printed on any recent account statement. Also, look at tax forms, such as a Form 1099, which clearly show your account details. Confirmation statements for trades or transfers are also excellent sources for this information. If you can't find your account number through online access or documents, contacting Fidelity directly is your next step. Call their customer service line and be prepared to verify your identity with personal information. A representative will be able to provide your account number. You can also use the Secure Message Center within your online account for assistance. While the Fidelity mobile app is convenient, it often only shows a partial account number for security. To see the full number, you'll typically need to use the website or refer to a statement. Remember to keep your account information secure and only share it when absolutely necessary. Finding your account number is straightforward with these methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.